In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the search bar at the top of emails in Outlook if your search bar has gone missing or you're setting up Outlook on a new device. This quick walkthrough will help you bring it back to the top of your mailbox so you can find messages fast without digging through folders manually. First, open Outlook. Give it a moment to load your mail. What we're doing next depends on which Outlook experience you're using. In the classic Outlook for Windows interface, look toward the top for the ribbon and click the View tab. In the Show Hide group on that tab, you'll see an option labeled Search. Click Search to turn it on. As soon as you do, Outlook restores the search bar and places it right above your message list where it's easy to reach. This toggle simply controls the visibility of the bar. It doesn't move or delete any messages. It just gives you the search box back in its standard spot. If you're using the new Outlook experience, the path is slightly different. Open Customize Ribbon, then add Search to your ribbon. The exact button for Customize Ribbon is typically found on the ribbon menu or within the app settings, but the key is to add the search command. Once added, Outlook places the search bar at the top of your emails, just like in the classic view. You'll know it worked when you see the prominent search box sitting above your inbox. Now, with the search bar visible again, you can start typing keywords, names, or phrases to quickly filter your messages. Outlook usually defaults to searching the current folder or mailbox, and you can expand the scope to all mailboxes when needed. To refine results, include simple operators like from, subject, or has attachments directly in the box. This keeps your inbox manageable and saves time scrolling through hundreds or even thousands of emails. If you prefer keyboard efficiency, remember you can jump to the search bar with a shortcut like Ctrl+E or F3 on many versions, even when your hands never leave the keyboard. That means you don't even need the visible bar to start searching instantly. If the bar still doesn't appear, make sure you're on the correct Outlook interface for your organization and that you clicked the appropriate option. Some organizations manage ribbon customization centrally, so you may see limited controls. In that case, the search bar often still works via the keyboard shortcut, and you can reach out to your administrator for adjustments when needed. To wrap this up, open Outlook, enable Search from the View tab in Classic Outlook, or add Search via Customize Ribbon in the new Outlook, and the search bar returns to the top of your emails, ready to help you find exactly what you need. If this video helped you out, give it a like, leave a comment with your biggest Outlook frustration, and subscribe for more practical fixes. Here's your step summary. First, open Outlook. Second, if using Classic Outlook, go to View and click Search. If using New Outlook, go to Customize Ribbon and add the Search command. Third, start typing keywords or use Ctrl+E to jump to search. Fourth, use operators like from or subject to refine results. And fifth, if it still doesn't appear, try the keyboard shortcut or contact your administrator. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.